Intelligence once belonged only to living minds, until machines learned patterns from data at massive scale. Today, artificial intelligence recommends content, filters information, and quietly drives decisions we barely notice. AI is not magic. It is mathematics, computation, and training repeated billions of times. In this documentary, we move from simple learning to neural networks, then to transformers and language models. We keep everything visual, so understanding replaces memorization of definitions. By the end, you will know what AI can do, what it cannot, and why it sometimes fails confidently. Let us begin with rule-based machines, systems that follow instructions perfectly and fail when reality changes. Rule systems work in predictable worlds. But real environments are noisy, uncertain, and full of exceptions. Learning systems handle this mess by adapting from examples instead of fixed instructions. This shift from programming rules to training behavior defines modern artificial intelligence. To understand learning, we must clarify what intelligence actually means. Intelligence combines perception, memory, learning, reasoning, and decision-making. It emerges from interaction and feedback rather than rigid logic alone. Humans learn through trial, error, and gradual improvement. Animals learn similarly by exploring environments and adapting behavior. Early computers lacked this ability to adapt. They executed instructions exactly without learning. Artificial intelligence introduced probability into computation. Instead of certainty, models estimate likelihoods. This probabilistic learning enables flexibility in complex environments. A machine learning system guesses outcomes, measures error, and adjusts repeatedly. At the core of this process lies the artificial neuron. A neuron receives numeric inputs representing information. Each input is weighted to reflect importance. The neuron sums these values and applies an activation function. Activation introduces nonlinearity, enabling complex behavior. One neuron is limited, but many neurons together are powerful. Neurons connect into layers, forming neural networks. Information flows forward through layers to produce predictions. Predictions are compared to correct answers. The difference is called loss or error. Backpropagation sends error backward through the network. Weights are adjusted slightly to reduce future error. Repeated updates gradually improve performance. Gradient descent guides learning toward lower error. Training occurs over many iterations called epochs. Overfitting occurs when models memorize data instead of patterns. Regularization and validation reduce overfitting. Successful models generalize to new unseen data. Deeper networks learn more abstract representations. Early layers detect simple features. Later layers combine features into concepts. This hierarchy makes deep learning powerful. However, language introduces a special challenge. Words change meaning depending on surrounding words. To handle context, new architectures were required. That architecture is the transformer. Transformers process sequences using attention. Critical.